it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my first Halloween tutorial of this year. I'm going to be doing a pumpkin. So first, I'm just going to outline everything with a brown eyeliner. So now I'm going to take some orange face paint and fill that all in. Right now you can see that I'm applying it and it's very sheer, but with this orange face paint, I actually took me about 2 to 3 layers to get it pretty opaque. Now moving on to the neck, I'm going to take the same brown eyeliner that I used on my face and outline my neck. And then I'm going to take the same orange face paint and fill that all in. With black face paint, I'm going to outline my lips, my nose, and my eyes. So now I'm just going to fill it all in. I'm just going to take the same black face paint and line my neck. I'm just taking that orange face paint and going around my lips, my nose, and my eyes to fix it up. I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and apply it to the black spots that I apply the black face paint. I take any brown eyeshadow and apply it horizontal for the lines on the pumpkin. That is it from my pumpkin tutorial for this year. Hope you guys liked that video, and also leave a comment down below what other videos you guys want me to do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.